Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix won't send MMS messages on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down, turn on mobile data and turn off mobile data. Turn on or turn off mobile data 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management and click on app list. If you want to fix this problem, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on storage and cache and clear cache messages app. After clear cache messages app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. Your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more latest new videos. Thanks for watching.